my God, that's so dangerous. Cuidado. Hi everyone, the word of the day is cuidado. Cuidado. This means to be careful or care. Cuidado is masculine, so you can say el cuidado or un cuidado. The plural form is los cuidados or unos cuidados. Now let's see a few examples. Ten cuidado cuando manejes. Ten cuidado cuando manejes. Mis hijos están al cuidado de mi niñera. Mis hijos están al cuidado de mi niñera. Mueve el sofá con cuidado. Mueve el sofá con cuidado. Necesitas cuidados médicos. Necesitas cuidados médicos. Los cuidados que recibo no son necesarios. Los cuidados que recibo no son necesarios. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Now you can download collectible cards about the word of the day. This is the card that you can download. You only have to go to smelessons.com. You can read the article about this word, and if you scroll down at the bottom of the page, you can find the downloadable card. This card is free only for 7 days. After that, you will be able to purchase it. That way, you can support this channel. Also, you can support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!